McKinsey just dropped a report. 400 million jobs vanish by 2027. Not maybe. Confirmed. Microsoft fired 10,000 workers in January. They replaced them with AI automation. Entire departments gone. Here's what dies first. Data entry roles collapse by 94% by 2027. Morgan Stanley ran the numbers. Customer service representatives lose 47% of jobs. Automation handles chat support now. Banks are already cutting back. JPMorgan deployed coin software last year. It replaced 360,000 hours of work annually. That's 170 full-time analysts eliminated. Deeper insight hits harder, though. White-collar jobs vanish faster than factory floors. Accountants, paralegals, junior analysts face extinction. Their work is digital, easily automatable. Companies save 60% on labor costs. They move fast. Your job might be next. Check if your role involves data processing. Spreadsheet work, report generation, email management. Those disappear within 24 months. This isn't distant future talk. It's happening now. Today, your paycheck is at risk. Upskill immediately. Learn prompt engineering. Master AI tools, or get displaced by your own company. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.